Hi guys, just doing a bit more with this zinc and carbon saltwater cell. There wasn't enough power to actually drive the car, so I'm just wondering if there's enough power to run this solar rocker. So if I connect her up, well, she's not instantly jumping into action. Give her a bit of help, see if she needs to. No, doesn't look like there's enough there, or have we got a bad connection? Oh, she gave a little kick. Don't know if you can see that. She's definitely moving, only a tiny bit. I'll just move the camera closer so you can actually see. Definitely moving a tiny bit. So she's getting some power. I'll just check I haven't got poor connections. Because I did think she might work. That's what it was. Bad connection. So saltwater battery, zinc and carbon. And we got just enough to keep her going. Those solar rockers really don't need very much power to get them going. And the other thing I wanted to try was this solar powered pulse motor, which I've just desoldered the solar panel from. Just move it around a tiny bit. Don't think we got quite enough. I think you can see it's being pushed a bit, but it's not getting enough to build the momentum. The circuit board there is out of a solar rocker, so the power is stored in that capacitor there. When it reaches enough power, it sends a pulse to that coil, which is why that's rocking a bit. I don't know if you can see it's moving. Let's move the camera on a bit. I think you can see it's moving. It's rocking a little bit. It's not enough to get it going. If I give it a push, it might be enough to keep it running for a few seconds. Yeah, I don't think we've got quite enough there. Again, it doesn't need much, but it needs a little bit more than we're getting from the saltwater battery. I could go and pull the potatoes out of the bin where I threw them from this morning and see if we can get enough power from a potato. Bit of a squeeze, see if we can improve the current flow. It looked like it was going to go then, didn't it? Just check we're not slipped off the bearing. Well, it's doing better than the saltwater cell did, but it's still not quite enough to keep it going. And of course, if we go back to her, ignore the fact she's rocking at the moment, that's because I've just put her down. No, I thought she'd do better. Just by way of comparison, I'm now running her off that solar panel. And that's just an LED light. That's not even a halogen light. I just thought I'd confirm that pulse motor does work fine off that solar panel. Obviously, we haven't got any sun at the moment, so that's running off a LED bulb, which is interesting. Usually have to use halogen bulbs to pretend to be the sun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.